No, 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 no. สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to An Cooking ค่ะ Before you watching the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on the video. Thank you. Today I going to making a dye color of my pretty small white shirt. So we're gonna use this one to making a red color. I don't know what's the English called, but we can eat this one as well, and also making the color for the shirt. Yay! Okay, we have to pick it up this for making a red color. So I'm gonna doing two color today. So it's gonna be like dark blue or maybe purple. They're so pretty. Look, they're really pretty, and they can eat as well, like this. Yum! Really sour. I'm gonna do two shirts, one for me and one for my sister. It's gonna be so pretty. Look, that's a lot. They grow by themselves. No one growing them. This one also can make like the juice as well, and like really nice. Only making this with water and put a bit some sugar. Gonna be sweet and sour at the same time. Yum. Okay, I think that's enough for 2 little shirts. Let's go. La 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 la. Oh my gosh! Here, the one we're gonna make with the blue or and or purple color. Oh my god! But we have only 2. It's okay. You know what? I'm thinking of something else. I'm gonna get the turmeric for making the yellow color. So I think we don't have enough to making the blue color. So okay, let's go get yellow color for the t-shirt. Here, we're gonna get the turmeric. Let's see. Yay! There. Gonna make the yellow color from this. Yellow or maybe yellow orange. Oh my god, this. No, 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 no. Yeah, that's it. Because we have only 2 little shirts. That's so hot. Okay, we got the turmeric. I'm already cleaned it, so I'm gonna put in the pot everything, and then I have to smash. Okay, So I think gonna be really yellow. You can tell from my hand. Okay. Now we have to waiting until they're boiling, and we're gonna put some salt later. Ooh, it's ready. Okay. So my one gonna be a yellow. So my sister one gonna be a red. Okay. Deal? Yes. Okay. Wow. Ooh, really yellow. Okay. So we have to make the shirt first. This one is my shirt. So I'm going to make like this. Yes, half. Up. Oops. Yeah, and put all together. Yeah, and I gotta put this. 1, 2, 3. I'm so excited. This is my first time doing dry color for the shirt. Yep. But have to be the same. Okay. Yeah. I want a yellow. So my sister want me to mix, but I want a yellow only. I don't want to mix it. So I'm gonna put in here. Wow, it's a bit hot. So we put here a bit first, and we're gonna put salt into the water. Put it here. Now we're gonna do my sister one. So she want a red color. So maybe pink. Not gonna be red because it's not too red. Or maybe a bit yellow for my one. This is my sister one. So she want like this. She want to be like this. Yes. All the way, all the way, all the way, like this. Like this? Right? That's what you want? Okay. And try it out like this. How many? 4? Like this? 2, yeah? Good? Okay. So we have to wait for the red color. And then we can like open together which one more nicer. Look, it's red color. This one taking like 1 hour. So the yellow one more easier. Take only like half an hour. So she wanna mix now. She wanna be a yellow and a red one. So I'm gonna put a yellow here. Wow. And I'm going to pour the red one. So, oh, red one in here. Ah, it's hot. Try. Red. And yellow one. Can we do half like this? Yeah. Oh, here. Now we're gonna open it. You see, we open outside. I'm so excited! Ready? Ready? Wow! That's pretty! Oh my god, that's so pretty! That's so pretty! Oh my gosh! Wait, have a look at my one. Okay, I'm gonna put in here. Oh, yeah! Okay, look at my one now. My one, I think gonna be like, oh, yellow for sure. For sure. Ah, red. Red. Oh, they're gonna. Ah! They're very nice. Look. Right? They're not bad. They're so cool. Oh my gosh. Perfect. Yeah. So I'm gonna wear like this for the next my video. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy my video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ